Okay, I am going to once again have you cross out the formula because I want you to just look at a pyramid and understand how many triangles do I have? What's my base? Add the areas together. Okay, now in a pyramid, we may have to do some work if we don't have everything we need. Okay, but we have the capabilities of doing that. So let's look at number one. Number one is a square pyramid. We have a square on the bottom. And then how many triangles do we have? Are they all the same? Okay, so we have 4 triangles. Okay. And this is going to happen with our pyramids. We're going to have one base, and then we're going to have the rest triangles. If you have a regular base, whether it be a square or a triangle or a pentagon, if it's regular, meaning all sides are the same, then yes, your triangles will be the same. So how do we find the area of the square? Okay, so 8 times 8, right? Okay. And then our 4 triangles, their area is 1/2 base times height. You actually do what?
Is it 200?
Sam is asking, is it 251.2? What's wrong? It might not be.
I got 251.2.
See what you're doing, Alex?
I don't even know.
What?
Like,
There's no pies.
yeah.
Did you put a plus in between here?
64 times 1/2 times 8 times 11.
64.
So
Seven
you need, no.
times
Go back. Go back. It needs to be 64 plus.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
What's wrong with your elbow? Mr. Reeser says I have like Tom John or whatever. It's not that school, but I'm part of the softball.
So you're not going to. Okay. All right. Now, can we all understand that number 2 is going to be the exact same type of problem, except instead of 8, we have 5, and instead of 11.7, we have 7.4? Okay. So we're going to skip that one. But I want to look at number 3. So we have a square, right? Plus we have 4 triangles. Since our base is a square, all 4 triangles will be the same. We have all the information that we need. We don't. We know that our square is 16 times 16, right? And we know that our triangle has a base of 16, but what's the height of the triangle that I'm highlighting here in pink?
3.
3 is the height of the pyramid. Okay, if I cut this apart and I laid all the pieces flat, we don't know what that is. How did you get 5?
Wait, is that right?
No,
Well, cause like it looks like you said the triangle.
okay, what should we do?
Like if we put like a line to the, if you put like a diagonal line across the square.
So this is the height that I need right here. I know that this right here is 8. What kind of triangle did I just draw? We drew a right triangle that is 3, 8, and we don't know the hypotenuse. That's what just happened there, people. That's what just happened.
8.57.
What? 8.5 what?
Feet.
Okay, I want more decimal places.
8.5440. 8.48.
8.48?
No, 8.5.
No, 8.54. Oh, wait, no.
Okay. So we had to draw in basically the slant height. Okay, what's the height of the slant? Okay, we had to draw that in and we had to use the pyramid height in order to be able to figure out that slant height for our triangle. Okay.
What's on there, guys?
529.2.
Yeah.
Wait, you guys think, wait, are you guys doing 8.54?
Yep.
Oh.
Okay, what do we get?
I'm doing 8.5.
She said 2 decimal places.
Is it the 2 decimal places?
529.28.
Yeah, I got 529.28. Wait, do you want the 2 decimal places?
So if we are doing a number that is not our final answer, use 2 decimal places. When it's our final answer, 1 decimal place.
Why did you only draw 8.5?
It says 5.4.
Wait.
It's
I did, 16 times 8.544, then times that by 4, because there's 4 sides. Oh.
Okay,
Even tell what number 4 is doing.
you can't tell what number 4 is doing. Then we better talk about number 4.
Creating another triangle.
Okay, number 4 is a triangular pyramid. Okay, so let's first talk about the base. The base is what kind of a triangle?
Oh, the equilateral.
It's an equilateral triangle. Okay, and it's even telling us
87.
what the height is, right? So we know that that base, we can take 1/2 times 10 times 8.7. That's the base of our pyramid. Okay, now, if I highlight this triangle here in purple, how many of those purple triangles do we have? I think we have 3. Because we have a triangular base, we're gonna have 3 triangles for our sides. Okay, so what is the base of the purple triangle? 10, and what's the height of the purple triangle? 6.7. Okay, You just gotta adjust your eyes to what's pointing to what.
You like outline it, makes it a lot easier.
Okay, so if you need to use markers or highlighters or your pencil or a pen to help you highlight, trace things out, you go for it. Maybe colored pencils so then you can erase if you need to. $144?
Yeah.
Exactly?
Yep.
Interesting.
Miss Holman,
Yeah.
on the test, if we will be able to have
Yes.
We'll be able to ask your brothers.
Like if you're not sure what a number is supposed to go with,
Uh,
if you ask for clarification, most likely I'll be able to. How about you find me the surface area for number 6?
I said just keep it on your wall.
Oh, yeah, you could do that. This is like such a nice problem. Yeah, number 6, go.
Oh,
You and your elbow partner.
wait, how do you know how many sides? Give us the base.
Count.
Wait, 3?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh!
5, 6.
6.
6.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6.
6. The height is 1.3. The base is 6.
Oh, 290.
296.
296.93.
What's full the 9? Right? Oh. Plus. 296.930.
Tell me the answer.
296.93.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, look how perfect my hexagon was, guys. Pretty happy about that one.
Did you use your shape string?
Yeah. But it understood that I was trying to make a hexagon. That's half the battle. Thank you, thank you.
I wish my pencil.
Like, yeah, I'm like,
Right? So some people do that. Like I had kids when I taught high school that would have iPads that they would take notes on. And then they could like, well, and they could like save them into certain, like they could organize them. I find myself though, like, so I like draw a line and then I wait for it to be straight, right? So when I'm doing something on pencil and paper, I like catch myself like trying to do that, like, oh wait, that's not how this works. Okay. Let's talk about a formula. Next page, a cone. Cones, I love a good cone problem. Also, cones might be the coolest shape. They hold ice cream.
I got one of those on my end.
They hold snow cones.
It was a
coolest and like snow cone.
Oh, it was a composite figure.
Sometimes you catch my puns and sometimes you don't.
On the end, they put a semicircle.
Hey, what do you call? So it was joke day. So my 3rd grader has like a countdown to the end of the year. So they have A, B,
yeah, that's
C,
what my
right? So it was J Day. He had to bring a joke. So this is the joke he brought. Are you ready? What do you call a ninja dinosaur?
Oh, wait.
A Universaurus. You never saw us.
Oh my god.
All right, we're talking about area. How do you find the area of a circle? Pi r squared. So we have one circle we have to find. Then, in order to find the area of the cone part that you hold. We call that the lateral area. We take pi times the radius times the slant height.
What's the slant?
So the slant would be basically the hypotenuse of that triangle, the length of the outside of the cone. Okay, I see a lot of Pythagorean theorem in our future. How about you?
I like it. It's easy to remember.
Okay, so if I want to find the surface area of a cone, we need pi r squared plus pi RL. Bless you. All right, what is our radius? So our radius is 7. What's our? Bless you. Oh, we have our slant height. Yeah.
In the future, can we memorize all of the numbers from 120 and memorize like their pi numbers and just put them in instead of putting them into the calculator?
I mean, you could. I mean, if you're that.
That sounds like a lot of work.
I just use a calculator.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier.
What'd you get?
I got 404.6.
404.6. Like that?
Yeah.
Brandon knows like first 20 digits.
I don't do.
Disney, name them all.
I kind of forgot. I had to remember at Christmas time.
But now he forgot.
But you take a.
So really, does he know them if he forgot them?
Stop naming them.
There. We just said stop calling me. Just because they're trying harder. than you,
Hey,
they're not mean.
you're just jealous, so you can just stop.
I'm not
All
jealous.
right,
I'm not jealous.
let's look at number 9.
Brandon's falling all the time.
Number 9. Brayden, I think it's cool. Don't let them tell you anything else. Our surface area for a cone, stop talking I am, is pi r squared plus pi RL. Do we have everything we need? We do not have we need the radius. In order to find the radius, we are going to need to do the Pythagorean theorem. R squared plus 25.2 squared equals 27.3 squared. Could you please find me the radius? Exactly? Really?
Yeah. I got 10.
Okay, so now when we go to our surface area, we know our radius is 10.5, but which one is our slant height? Okay, make sure you pick out the right one. The slant height is the height of the slant, right? It's self-explanatory.
I did last
With the blue Texas.
It's second. Oh.
They're solar,
Actually,
I think.
well, that's what like the boys.
Is it 1, 2, 4, 6?
Yeah.
So 1,246.9,
Yeah.
that's what you're getting?
I've been covering this thing for 2 minutes.
All right. Let's talk about number 11. I really like number 11. Okay, I want to find the surface area of this guy right here. Okay, now, this is what's this part? The cylinder, and on the top is a cone. But do we need the full surface area of both the cylinder and the cone? No. We have, how many circles are actually showing? So we have the one circle, plus we have the lateral area for our cylinder, plus we have the lateral area for our cone. Okay. Do you see what I'm saying there?
You don't count the one on top. It's big.
We can't see it. Surface area is all the things that we can touch on the outside.
Oh.
Okay.
It's like a circle. Can't touch it.
Okay. What's the radius? So our radius is 17, which means we're going to have only 1 pi r squared. Our lateral area for a cylinder is 2 pi r h. And then the lateral area for a cone is pi r l. And we have this line, right? It's that 20.
Wait, what we have a sheet on the test that has all these?
Well, I'm gonna put this on.
Twenty-two, 630.
These are the formula sheets that I keep in here and you can use on the test. So I'll let you look them at.
It sits in the 3,000.
I don't know.
Oh, I didn't know.
I didn't get them out today.
325.
I have 3,257. Yeah.
3,257.
3,257.8.
Indeed.
Got 2,503. Wait, that's what I got the first.
I got 3,257.
That's not right. What I did is plus it.